Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable SPF DKIM DMARC with Microsoft 365, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable SPF, DKIM, and DMARC with Microsoft 365, follow these steps closely. Begin by logging into your Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Navigate to the Admin section on the left-hand menu. Select Exchange under the Admin Center's heading. From the Exchange Admin Center, choose Protection in the left pane. Click on SPF under the Threat Management section. Here, you'll find the best practices for creating an SPF record. Use a text editor to create your SPF record. The standard format begins with V equals SPF1. Include the IP addresses of the mail servers authorized to send emails on your behalf. Once your SPF record is complete, log into your domain registrar's website. Locate the DNS settings for your domain. Add a new TXT record for your SPF configuration. Save your changes and allow time for the DNS to propagate. Next, return to the Exchange Admin Center. Click on DKIM under the Protection section. To enable DKIM, you first need to create two name records. Open your DNS management tool at your domain registrar again. Add the first name record with the host name selector 1_domain key. Set the value to your tenant name on Microsoft.com. Add a second name record with the host name selector 2_domain key. Set this value to the same your tenant name on Microsoft.com. After creating both name records, return to the DKIM settings in the Exchange Admin Center. Select the domain you wish to enable DKIM for. Click Enable to activate DKIM. Now, let's proceed to configure DMARC. Open your text editor to create your DMARC record. The standard format begins with V equals DMARC1. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.